Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Zazzle affiliate marketing program. Let's check it out. Let's find out if it's legit. Is this a good way for you to make money online, or are there better ways to make money online out there? Okay. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share that strategy with you for free. You can check it out if you want. All right. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good. Some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out the Zazzle affiliate marketing program to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money. Is it legit? How much money can you really make from this? Okay, so officially it's called this Zazzle Associates program. Okay, so if you want to check it out, you can just come to zazzle.com/sell/affiliates. Now, Zazzle is a very large e-commerce platform. It's actually a print on demand store, right? So people can basically come here, and a lot of these designs right here, and we'll go through them a little bit, right, have been designed by individual people just like you and me, individual designers. They've come here, they've created stores, and you know, there's everything from invitation cards to clothing accessories to electronics to office to baby and kids to weddings. They basically sell everything, all right? And they've got some really cool stuff, like you can get ping pong paddles, you know, golf balls, and they all have really cool prints. And again, it's created by individual artists just like you and me, and just regular people, right? Now, if you're not a designer, you could come to Zazzle and join their associates program and sell any one of these pieces of items, right? So if you wanted to sell, for example, a Sweet 16 birthday card, all you would do is join the Zazzle associates program, all right, and then you would grab, you know, a link for the Sweet 16 birthday cards, right? And once you grab it, okay, you can basically promote this, and you can put this pretty much anywhere on social media. You can email it to your email list if you've got a big following on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, or you know, you've got an authority website and you drop this link, for example. When somebody buys from that link, they will send you a commission. Okay, it's very cool, right? Now, the question is how much money do you make from this? Well, you make a 15% per sale. Okay, so you make 15% of the sale. So it just depends on how much they are. If it's a $5 card and you make 15%, how much is that? $5 times 15%, you will make 75 cents. All right, so it depends on what you're selling. Some things are cheaper than others. You know, generally the things on Zazzle aren't super expensive unless it's a very high quality piece of art. So this particular game is more about volume in general, okay? And we'll talk about it a little bit more, right? So very easy to sign up. You can just come here to their associates program and sign up, okay? And they pay via check and PayPal. Most people can accept via, you know, check and PayPal. The cookie length is 45 days. That basically means that when somebody clicks on your affiliate link, if they came back within 45 days and they bought that particular item but didn't click on your link again, you would still get the credit for it. Okay, so that cookie will last on their browser unless they clear their cookies, unfortunately, for 45 days. Minimum payout is $50, so you have to make at least $50 in sales before they will pay you out through check or PayPal. Okay, now, how much money realistically can you make from the Zazzle Associates program? All right. Now, affiliate marketing is a great industry. I know it's been around for 20 plus years, and you know, it's a $17 billion industry. The thing though is that with things like Zazzle, even though 15% commissions is okay, it's on the slightly lower side, but it's better than things like Amazon. Amazon only pays 3 to 5%. It's unbelievable. It's so low, right? You know, even eBay, for example, and Etsy also very low, 3 to 5%. So Zazzle, to pay 15% commissions is actually pretty good, okay? The problem though with the Zazzle Associates program is that this is not super suitable for beginners, right? So if you're watching this video and you're an absolute beginner, like you've never done affiliate marketing before, you've never done referral marketing before, you don't have a blog, you don't have a website, you don't have a social media following, you don't have 100,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or anything like that, you're just a regular person and you want to start this from scratch, it's going to be pretty difficult for you to make a lot of sales, okay? Because the only way that you can really make sales from Zazzle is if you have a following, all right? And so if you don't have a following, or you're not a marketer and you don't understand how to promote, okay, or you can't recommend it because you have no followers, then it's going to be very difficult to earn, because even though it's 15%, and that is higher than, 3 or 5%, like I mentioned earlier, right, compared to Amazon and Etsy and things like that, right? It's still not that much commissions because the price of their products aren't very high in Zazzle. Okay, so you're gonna have to make a lot of sales, right? Let's have a look at some of the examples, right? Okay, look, if you're selling something expensive like an iPhone, right, or things like that, then that's better, but that's quite hard to sell. Okay, let's look at what they mostly sell, right? So it's clothing and accessories and things like that. Let's have a look at let's look at some vintage designs. Okay, we'll look at some price points so that you can just take a look at it here, right? So let's just say $16, okay, for a t-shirt. That's pretty normal. Okay, so $16 times 15%, it's about $2.40 for per t-shirt, right? How many t-shirts do you need to sell to make $10,000? Well, 10,000 divided by $2.40, you would have to sell 4,166 t-shirts to make $10,000 a month. That is really hard. Now let's cut that in half. So $5,000 a month from affiliate marketing, right? You would still have to sell 2,083 units of these t-shirts to make $5,000 a month. That's really, really difficult. Okay. Now, if you're an influencer and you already have, 1 million people, on YouTube, or 1 million people on TikTok or Instagram, then it's easy. You just jump on, you do a live, you make a video, and you say, hey guys, I love this Mickey Mouse t-shirt. If you want to check it out, just click on the link below. You leave your Zazzle link, and if 1,000 people buy, you made what, $2.40, right? 1,000 people buy, you just made $2,400. So it's easy because you already did the work, right? But if you're a brand new person, a beginner, and you have no following, you have no blog, you have no website, you're not a marketer, you don't know how to do this, I think it can be pretty difficult, right? So it's not that the Zazzle affiliate program is bad. I think that it's okay, right? It's definitely higher percentages. You get paid more commissions than things like Amazon and eBay and Etsy and things like that, which is cool. Okay, it's kind of on par with a TikTok shop. TikTok shop pays about 10-15% as well, right? But if you're a nobody, that means you've got no following, you're not an influencer, you're not a marketer, you don't know how to build a big email list. Right now, you're a beginner. This can be pretty hard going because it's going to take you a long time to build it up before, and then you start promoting this stuff. And then also, because the price points aren't high, you're selling, kind of knickknacks and t-shirts and clothing and stuff like that in general, right? This is the majority of their makeup of what they sell. You would have to sell a lot of volume to make big money, which I think is not great. There are better ways to do it in affiliate marketing, and you can get to $5,000 to $10,000 in affiliate marketing, selling much less products, selling higher commission stuff. Like if you sell digital downloads, digital products, commission rates are a lot higher, 40 to 70%, and the price points are higher too, $100, $500, $1,000 products, right? So it's easier as an affiliate to make money doing that kind of stuff, okay? Whereas doing this kind of stuff, selling physical stuff, is always hard going because the price points are lower and the commission rates are generally lower, okay? So it's not that the Zazzle program is bad. I think that it just depends on who you are. If you're the right person and you're already a marketer, you're an influencer, you got a big following, this is great. You can plug it in. I wouldn't do this all the time, but once in a while, you throw out like a bag, a hoodie, a beanie, a golf ball that you think is cool, right? Maybe it's Christmas time. You're like, guys, I love this Christmas card. Check it out. Then it's awesome because it's so easy because you already have a following. People already listen to you, right? But if you're you're just getting started today, then it's going to be really hard. It's like pushing a boulder up a mountain, and there are much, much easier ways to do it if you're a beginner. I hope that makes sense, okay? So pretty cool. If you're the right person, you can check out Zazzle, Zazzle.com, especially their associates program, right? If you're a beginner, stick around because I'm going to show you a better way to generate big money, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video, remember, I have reviewed hundreds of different strategies online to make money. Some are good, some are so-so, some are really bad, to be honest, right? But out of all the good ones, I do like affiliate marketing. It's a great strategy. And if you're a beginner, I've got a free masterclass that will show you how to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month with a very specific strategy. Okay, higher profit margins, you sell a specific product. It's just a lot easier to get started if you have never made any money online with affiliate marketing. If you want to check it out, free masterclass all the way at the bottom. Check out that link. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Zazzle Associates program and making money with affiliate marketing. And I hope to see you on another video review. See you soon.